welcome to Skates Videos. If you are new to Vaughn, actually maybe it's been a couple of years. These are little short videos to help make sure that everyone knows how to do certain tech things. So today we're going to quick learn how to make virtual appointments for our parent conferences. So this year, for our Q1 conferences, we are doing hybrid. So there's going to be both virtual and in-person options for our conferences. So if you read the newsletter last week, you'll know that we have our conferences where the first hour and the last hour are the virtual options, and then the middle section is going to be in person. You do not need to have appointments if you're coming in person, but if you're doing the virtual option, we do need to have appointments. So to set those up, you have to have your newsletter pulled up here, and to do that, first you want to log into your parent portal so that you know your kiddo's schedule and your kids' teachers. And so you'll know which teachers you want to set appointments up for. Once you know the teachers you want to create appointments for, then you're going to go to the newsletter and you're going to click here. When you click here, it'll pull up this spreadsheet with all of our staff names, and the staff all created these virtual scheduling links. And those links will then send you to their calendar and you'll be able to set appointments up. Now, note, we only have the first hour and the last hour of conferences for virtual appointments. The appointments are quick. They're about 10-15 minutes. And so we do try to get as many as we can in, but they do book up quickly. And so if you're not able to schedule a virtual appointment and you're not able to come in person, simply just email the teacher and they'll try to set something up with you on a different day. So once you know your teachers that you want to create these appointments for, then you'll go and find their name on the spreadsheet. So let's pretend I'm your teacher, and you'll find my name, so Miss Hallberg, and you'll click here for the virtual link. And it'll pop up. You'll click the link and it's going to bring you to my calendar. Now the first thing it's going to do is going to bring you to the current day. So we'll have to toggle over to November 4th because that's when parent conferences are. And since I'm not a teacher, no one's booked me yet. Yay. Let's say, so here are the date or the time slots that are still available for me. Let's say 11:15 is a good time for me to meet with me. So you'll click on that time and then you answer the quick questions that are asked of you. So student last name, first name, and then why we're quick meeting and the grade level, and you would click book. Once you click that, it's going to shoot you an email and the teacher an email confirming the appointment, as well as a link for a Google Meet. And so what that Google Meet is that on Monday, November 4th at 11:15, I'm going to log into my computer. I'm going to click that link and it'll put me into a virtual meeting space where if I have a camera on my computer, I'll be able to see the teacher, they'll be able to see me, and we'll be able to have kind of this in-person, yet not in person, meeting and be able to talk about my kiddo and how they're doing in the class. So make sure that you're on time because they do go quickly, and if you miss your 10-15 minute slot, they'll have to move on. I hope this helped, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Take care. Thanks for joining me.